Let me introduce new powerful feature of ComBat Games Navigator, the scripting language. It allows to automate Airsoft, Paintball or other military games like usual computer games. For example, Capture the Flag scenario. Here on the map you can see 3 zones, red one, green one and blue one. And also 3 triggers, reset, core and score trigger. Reset trigger is required to reset the game to the initial state when all zones are green. The rules are very simple. Green zones mean free zone. If some player goes inside the zone takes the color of his side. And 1 score is reached per minute by the side who controls the zone. If both players of both zones are inside the zone, then zone becomes yellow, which means that heavy fights in the zone and nobody takes the score. If we kill the enemy or enemy going away from the zone becomes our again. In such way we can take 1, 2 or more zones, and every 15 minutes or half an hour administrator can start the score trigger to show the results. Here you can see the results are red team has 1 score and blue team has 4 score. Let's look how it works from the inside. Reset trigger contains the following code. The condition is true, which means the trigger executes the commands all times when it is started. At the beginning of the trigger it initializes the ID of every side, then the set of zones and reset the score of each side. And finally it sets the color of each zone to green and lock users to disallow them to move them manually without GPS. The score trigger is very simple. It simply displays the message to all with text score red, value of red score, and score blue, value of blue. And it executes every 13 seconds. And the main trigger is core trigger. It starts only on device where player name is suffix, and at the beginning it calculates the amount of users inside each area, inside the current area, which have no status dead and belongs to the side red or to the side blue correspondingly. When users of both sides are in the zone, then the zone becomes yellow and message heavy fight in the zone appears. If only red players are in the zone, then a message zone 1 captured by red appears and red side takes 1 score. If only blue users are in the zone, the same appears with the blue side. It takes 1 score and message appears. And if nobody in the zone and it was yellow, it becomes green again. And if nobody in the zone and it is now red, then red team takes another score, and if zone is blue, the blue team takes score. In such simple way we can automate the Capture the Flag scenario using ComBat Games Navigator software. Let's make quality games, and thank you for watching video. See you on the battlefield.